TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 10 a.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday, November 3rd, Election Day. Folks, if you haven't gotten out and voted early or voted by mail, as almost 100 million Americans have already. We'll pull up some of the numbers in this update. Pretty remarkable, the turnout already. If you haven't already, get out there and vote today. Do your civic duty, and we'll find out what happens tonight or in the days that follow, right? S&Ps charging higher. We were higher overnight, coming into the open about 40 points in the positive. Right now, you're accelerating higher, up 53 points in the S&P, 33.53. We just climbed above the levels we were at about 5 a.m. this morning. That level about 33.50, 33.54 right now as we are trading higher, folks. NASDAQ with a pop, up 145 points in the NQs at 11,209. The Dow up 526 points. We're approaching 1,400 points from where we were early on Friday in the Dow. Quite an acceleration there. Commodities catching a bid as well. You got crude oil up $1.46 at 38.27. Gold up almost $13 at 19.05. And notes and bonds pulling back. We're getting a little bit of lower price and higher yield. The 10-year right now off about 8 ticks at 138.02. The 30-year off 26 ticks at 171.30. That 10-year is approaching 0.9% for a yield. I believe we're just under that level right now on the 10-year. All right, jumping around to some of the vote totals. We know it's election day. There's a lot of speculation out there. We got a big day of earnings as well out there. Some of the companies moving, but some of these numbers, folks. Interesting article out here from Bloomberg talking about, so how about 98.8 million votes, early votes as of Monday. Remarkable number. That number compared to 58.8 million just 4 years ago on the early vote count. Some of the states, Florida, we're at 93% of our entire vote already. Early votes, just shy of 9 million. The total votes in 2016, 9.6. How about Texas? 9.7 million early votes. The total votes in 2016, 8.9 million. You see the numbers, of course, some of the western states, whatever it is. Record turnout, 98.8 million votes in an early number. And then today we vote. And then we find out the numbers tonight and potentially tomorrow and the next day, maybe. Stay tuned, folks. Should be an interesting day in the markets. S&P 33.57. We'll be right back, folks.